Oo. For me naman, bukod sa yung mga hindi masyadong pinupuntahan na destinations, sometimes yung mga madalas puntahan, it's also um, keeping a lot of attractions na hindi masyadong matao, at least hindi maturista. So, yung most recent trip namin, we visited Taipei, pero all the places that we visited were mostly underrated, hindi pinupuntahan. So kasi usually yung itinerary natin when we visit Taipei, 'di ba, is we're going to visit Taipei 101, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, what else? Ximending. And then after that, we'll go to Jufen, to Shifen, and then that's about it. Siguro pupunta na tayo sa ibang lugar. But Taipei has a lot of other attractions na hindi masyadong pinupuntahan. So this one is Guandu Temple. It's still within Taipei City, pero itong Guandu Temple, it has like winding caves. So alam ko kita from there, pero si Vince nandito siya sa cave. It's a big temple. And then ito naman, this is Northern Eye Plateau.